Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to identify sensitive data with optical character recognition. Well, OCR, optical character recognition, scanning enables Microsoft Purview to scan content in images for sensitive information. This feature is multilingual, supporting more than 150 languages. OCR is an optional feature that is first turned on at the tenant level. After it's enabled, you choose the locations where you want to scan the images. Image scanning is available for Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, and Windows device. Once it is set up, your existing policies for data loss prevention, record management, and insider risk manager are applied to images and text-based content. For example, let's say that you have configured the DLP condition content contains sensitive information and included a data classifier such as credit card, sensitive information type. In this case, Microsoft Purview scans credit card numbers in both text and images at chosen locations. Okay, so a simple workflow would be that you create an AZURE subscription if it's needed. You set up a pay-as-you-go billing to enable OCR. Then you configure OCR scanning settings. So the prerequisite would be to use OCR scanning. Your organization global admin needs to verify that an AZURE pay-as-you-go subscription is in place. So let me show you the portal here. So once the subscription is in place, you configure the billing. When you enable OCR, all sensitive information types and trainable classifiers can detect characters that are in images. Because it's an optional feature, your global admin must set up pay-as-you-go billing to enable OCR. So to configure OCR, you would come under settings on your compliance.microsoft.com portal. You will scroll down to settings. Then here you click on OCR, optical character recognition. You will select the location you want to scan images. Then for each location and solution, you define the scope, users, group, or sites for the OCR. Supported locations and solutions are discussed. So the account you use to create in policy must be a member of compliance administrator, compliance data administrator, information protection, or information protection admin. So supported location, so it says when turned on, this setting lets you scan images for sensitive information using existing record management, right? So this is the OCR scanning is charged on a pay per user basis and requires Microsoft Syntax billing to set up. So if you click here, it will show you how to set up billing for this thing. All right, here, set up Microsoft Syntax billing here. Okay, so you have to work with your global admin, or if you are a global admin, then you follow these steps. So in the 365 admin center, if you log in, because this is my lab tenant, I won't be able to do here, but all of the things are, once you do it, then you will be able to enable the OCR scanning. Okay, the locations are Exchange, SharePoint sites, OneDrive accounts, and the Teams chat and channel messages, and the devices. Okay, supported solution would be for Exchange, data loss prevention, for SharePoint as well, for OneDrive, for Teams chat devices as well. Some of them insider risk management is available. Record management solution is also available. Okay, and the supported file types would be JPEG, JPG, PNG, BMP, TIFF, and PDF for the images only. So there are some limitations which are also discussed in the documentation if you want to go and read more about it. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you about the sensitive data, identification of sensitive data with OCR, which is still in the preview, but it's a good thing to look at. I hope this video was beneficial for all of you. If you have any further questions, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.